Today Sarah and I are going to make some risotto with some butternut squash, sausage, and even a pear. Let's get started. We're just going to dice the pear as well, and we will add this together with the butternut squash in the oven, and we'll allow it to caramelize a bit. We're going to dice it like this, and the combination of the butternut squash and the pear is going to be divine. Our pan has been preheating in the oven. We're just going to put some olive oil in there, the butternut squash, and to the butternut squash we'll also add the sausage. Now you could totally make this vegetarian and omit the sausage. Almost forgot, we're also going to put a little bit of thyme into it and some salt. And we can always add more later because the sausage is already salted, so we don't want to exaggerate. Our butternut squash is going in, and we'll allow the oven to do its magic. Let's peek, and oh yes, this is looking mighty good. Now at this point, I'm also going to add the onions. The reason I did not put them sooner is because they're minced so small that I was afraid they might burn. So here are the onions. A quick stir. And back inside. Look how wonderful this looks. At this point, we will also add the pears. Back into the oven for just a few minutes. The pears are tender as well. We're going to remove everything, and in the same pan we're going to make the risotto, and we will add this towards the end and reserve some when we plate it. So in the same pan we're going to put a drizzle of olive oil, a bit of this butter, and right in here we will place that rice, the arborio rice. We'll allow it to toast, and then we will slowly cook it. Towards the end, we will add our roasted veggies and the sausage with the pear, and it will be so good. When making risotto, it's important to toast it, and the rice grains will become translucent, and that's when you know that they are ready. I have some broth in the back that we will be adding. We will keep stirring the risotto, and once all the broth is absorbed, we'll add a little bit more. And this we will do for probably close to 20 minutes. Risotto is a little bit laborious. You have to stay after it. You see the water has been absorbed, and now we're going to add more broth. About 15 minutes into it, I'm going to test it for salt, just a little bit. And now to this, we are going to add part of our veggies, but we will reserve some for plating, because that will be beautiful on top. Just a tad more. I'll mix this in gently, add some more broth, and bring everything together. Ooh, this smells so divine. Now the last step is the following. We're going to turn the heat source off underneath, add a bit more of the butter and cheese. And this is called mantecare, and it's going to cause this incredible creaminess in the rice, in the risotto. And we are ready to serve it. So it is finally time to serve our delicious risotto with butternut squash, sausage, and just a hint of thyme. And then let's put this over, and then also these incredible pears. Now we're going to top it off with some of this as well with a little bit more parmigiano. And of course, every dish deserves a nice drizzle of olive oil. And here we are with our butternut, pear, and sausage risotto that is going to be absolutely delicious. I get to taste it. Let's see, even a bit of pear and sausage. Oh wow, buon appetito.